Hi everyone, I'm Jen from Ask an Autism Mom with Laki Kid. Today I'm here to talk about our fidget band. This band is ideal for kids with fidgety feet, ADHD, autism, and hyperactivity. They help reduce anxiety and promote a sense of calming. They are quiet to use so they do not disrupt the classroom environment. They're extremely durable and extremely easy to put on. They are a wonderful tool for helping students focus and stay on task. Now I'm just going to quickly take the camera down a little bit and show you. This is on a coffee table, or a side table, sorry. We use it for coloring, eating, homework, playing. As you can see, you can bounce your feet between or on top. My kids prefer to do both, depending on the child. So they're a wonderful band and a great product from Laki Kids. Again, this was our Laki Kid Fidget Band. We hope you check it out. Thanks, bye.